This is a demonstration of the Pilates exercise Stag, shown here on the Pilates Springboard. This exercise is performed lying on the back with the feet in the straps. Legs start out at a 45-degree angle before you begin to move. The spine remains in a neutral alignment and the pelvis stays steady. It's very important here to prevent rocking or tilting of the pelvis in order to improve pelvic stabilization, which is an important part of this exercise. Inhale as one leg opens to the side while the other knee flexes in towards the body. Exhale as you press both legs back together. Alternate legs. This exercise involves coordination to keep the legs in sync. This is a reformer exercise that can also be performed on the springs. I have my spring set to a level 6 here, but it can be performed at various levels on the board. Thank you for joining me here in the Benniebarre Pilates studio. If you are interested in online Springboard Pilates classes, please come and visit me on Patreon. And check out my channel for more Pilates Springboard, as well as Barre, Mat Pilates, and more. Your support is so appreciated here. Is there an exercise that you would like to see demonstrated on the Springboard? Please let me know in the comments below.